In astrology, the birth chart is often compared to a map of your life. But it's not just a map of your personality or fate. It's also a map of how you show up in the world, your relationships, and your ultimate life path. And today, we're going to dive into the 4 crucial points in your birth chart that can reveal so much about you. The Ascendant, Imum Coeli, IC, Descendant, and Midheaven, MC. Let's start with your Ascendant, also known as the rising sign. This is the first thing people notice about you. It's how you present yourself to the world and how you approach life's challenges. It's that initial energy that makes you seem approachable, or maybe a bit reserved, depending on your sign. Your Ascendant is the face you wear in public, how you interact with others before they get to know you on a deeper level. It's like your public persona. People often see your Ascendant first, before they dig into your deeper traits. Ever met someone and immediately thought, there's something about them? That's likely the energy of their Ascendant speaking to you. Moving on to your Imum Coeli, or IC, this is the root of your chart. The IC represents your home, your family, and your deepest private self. It's where you came from, your foundation. The IC reveals your early childhood and influences your relationship with your home and family. In a way, it's where you find peace and emotional nourishment. It's your safe place, the space where you feel most yourself. So when things get tough out there in the world, your IC is where you retreat for comfort. It's your emotional anchor. Next is your Descendant. Now, the Descendant is the opposite of your Ascendant. While your Ascendant shows how you engage with the world, your Descendant reveals your approach to relationships and partnerships. This is how you connect with others on a deeper level. It represents the qualities you seek in others, the kind of partner you're drawn to, and the type of relationships that shape you. Sometimes you'll find yourself attracted to people who embody traits of your Descendant sign. It's fascinating because these are the qualities you might need in your life to balance your Ascendant energy. Your Descendant tells a lot about your relationship patterns and how you meet the world through your most intimate connections. Finally, we have your Midheaven, or MC. This is the most visible point in your chart and represents your career, public life, and reputation. It's your life's purpose, the legacy you aim to build, and how you want the world to see you. The Midheaven is about your ambition and where you're headed in life. This is where your professional success, life direction, and reputation intersect. If your Ascendant is how you appear and engage in the world, your Midheaven is how the world recognizes your achievements. It's the pinnacle of your chart, showing where you want to go, not just in terms of career, but in the larger sense of your life's mission. Together, these 4 angles, the Ascendant, IC, Descendant, and Midheaven, create a blueprint for your life. They shape how you interact with the world, how you connect with others, and what you want to achieve. These are the foundations of your being, the external, the internal, your relationships, and your career. Understanding them gives you deep insights into your life's journey and shows you the path. You're meant to walk both inwardly and outwardly,